Hi, Aton Sunday here once again, and today I want us to discuss on some common misconception in data analysis. Yeah, oftentimes you've heard people asking questions like, can you learn data analysis within 30 days? Ha, my brother, my sister, if we have to tell ourselves the truth, what exactly can you learn under 30 days? So don't fall for that. No, don't fall for that. You can't learn it under petty pace. Yes. Give yourself time, read, and then study. If you rush it, trust me, just like the word garbage in, garbage out, you will also garbage in and garbage out. Yes. That is one misconception people usually have, that yes, you can learn data analysis within 30 days and you are done. This is not right, please. This is not right. Yes, you can't learn data analysis within 30 days and you'll be very, very proficient. Give yourself 3 months, yeah, that's like 90 days. Averagely, yes, that should work. That should work because you are not just learning one tool, you're learning minimum of 3 to 4 tools, and you can't do this within just 30 days. So I hope that has already clarified that. Then the next question I would want to answer is this: do you need mathematics or statistics to become a data analyst? Yes, you do. I can't answer this enough. Yes, you do. You need statistics. You need basic understanding. You need to be comfortable with numbers. So if you're not good with numbers and you come and say you want to go and learn data analysis, please look other way. Yes, yes, yes. There is product design, UI, UX, yeah, graphic design and all that. Yeah, you can do all those things. Project management, well, you still need calculation. But then for data analysis, you need basic understanding of statistics. Yes, and you have to be comfortable with numbers. Now, the next thing I would want to talk quickly is this. You hear people saying, learn Python, learn SQL, and then you get a job. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If I should tell you that, will you believe it? No, 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 no. If I should tell you that, will you believe it? Trust me, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Those two tools cannot get you higher. However, yes, it's part of what you need to get higher, but those two cannot get you higher. Then, yes. This next one is all those of you that are looking to get rich. Please, if you want to get rich, go and bring one person, grow one person. That will get you rich faster. Oh, well, if you believe it anyway. But then people say data analysts make 6 figures. I can tell you, I've seen some that make 7 figures. Yes, I've seen someone that makes 7 figures. I've seen majority 6 figures and all that. But then let's tell ourselves the honest truth here. There are entry roles, there are intermediate roles, and there are professional roles. You can't be an entry and you'll be looking for millions and billions, and no. It doesn't work that way. You have to go through the rungs of the ladder. Yes, you have to climb the steps. You have to grow within the ranks. Yes. So is it possible? Yes, it is very possible. Is it something achievable? Yes, it is. However, don't have that misconception on your mind when going into it. Then another thing is become a data analyst and work from home. Stay at home, mom. Come and learn data analysis and start earning in dollars. Okay. In this one, well, welcome to the party. It doesn't work that way. However, yes, you can get lucky. There are always exceptions to all these steps. Yes, you can get lucky and you get a remote job and you can work from home. But most companies we have currently in the country want you to come to the office. Even though not all the time, but then they want probably hybrid. Yeah. So you come Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or something like that. Yeah, they just shall work something around it. Now, the last question I'll be answering: data analysis is easy. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Are we sure about that? Anyone can learn it, or can anyone do it? Well, it depends on your take on that. It depends on, one, your dedication and your drive, your passion. What is driving you? Because trust me, you get to a point you would want to give up. Trust me on that. That's happened to a lot of us. You'll get to a point you'd want to give up. So don't fall for that. I hope I've been able to answer these questions for you. If you still need more answers on any of these questions, please don't hesitate to contact me by dropping a comment. And please, if you followed me to this point, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel.